today let's start with chapter number 5, clothes and fabrics. So in this chapter, we will study about different clothes and the fabrics that we used in the different seasons. So what are clothes? Clothes are the basic needs of human being, right? Clothing हो गया, food हो गया और shelter हो गया, ये क्या आपकी 3 basic needs है. So we wear different types of clothes. Clothes are made up of material that suit the climate condition. So need for clothes. हमें need क्यों पड़ती है clothes की? So clothes protect our body from dust, heat, cold, rain, germs and insect bite. If you wear neat and tidy clothes, it makes us look decent and smart. Dirty and unironed clothes gives us shabby look. Clean clothes also keeps our skin in good health. There, they are also very important for modern living. Clothes gives us protection and neat appearance, right? So let's study about some suitable clothes. So if we talk about in summer, we wear clothes which are made up of cotton. कॉटन क्लोथ्स आर गुड स्वेट एब्जॉर्बर, राइट? वो क्या होता है? गुड स्वेट एब्जॉर्बर होते हैं, हमारी बॉडी को कूल रखते हैं. एंड द कलर ऑफ द क्लोथ्स इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाइट और लाइट कलर क्लोथ्स जो हम पहनते हैं हॉट वेदर में, बिकॉज दे रिफ्लेक्ट हीट ऑफ द सन, सेलिंग ऑन देम एंड दे डू नॉट गेट हीट. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इन विंटर, वी वियर वार्म एंड थिक क्लोथ्स. ऐसे हम अपनी बॉडी पार्ट्स को कवर करते हैं. क्लोथ्स मेड अप ऑफ फर और वूल कीप द बॉडी वार्म. और इससे क्या होता है, जो बॉडी की हीट है वो एस्केप नहीं हो पाती, डार्क कर वो इसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है, राइट? इन रेनी सीजन वी यूज अम्ब्रेला, रेनकोट, गमबूट्स, राइट, विच इज मेड अप ऑफ वाटर प्रूफ मटीरियल्स. ये वाटर को अवे रखता है, हमें ड्राई भी रखता है, राइट? यू कैन इजिली अंडरस्टैंड बाय द पीपल इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज दे वियर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ clothes. The type of clothes we wear mainly depend upon the type of bed in the region where they live. People जो बहुत cold countries में रहते हैं, they wear heavy woolen clothes which is made up of fur or skin of animal. Next is socks and shoes. Socks and shoes protects our feet from heat, cold, dust, germs, worms and sharp things. Right? Moving barefoot may cause cuts and through which dirt, germs and worms may enter our body. Right? Next is care of clothes. We should do proper care of our clothes. Why? Because neat and clean clothes keeps us healthy. Cotton clothes should be properly washed, जिससे आप dirt और grease दोनों को remove कर सकते हो. And these clothes should be washed with good washing soap or detergent. Right? आप इसे washing machine में भी wash कर सकते हो. After washing, clothes should be properly squeezed, stretched and dry and then ironed. Silk clothes should be washed with mild good quality soap or should preferably be dry cleaned so that fibers may not get damaged. They should be dried in shade because जो direct rays है sun की, it makes silk fibers shrink as they dry. और जो woolen clothes होते हैं, they need to be dry cleaned as they are not washed with water, petrol and carbon tetrachloride. They are used for dry cleaning of woolen clothes. Sometimes our clothes get stained. Fresh stains can easily be removed by proper means. टी और जो कॉफी के स्ट्रिंग्स होते हैं, उसको आप टर्मरिक पाउडर, सॉरी टेल्कम पाउडर और आपका जो ऑक्सैलिक एसिड होता है, उससे भी आप क्या कर सकते हो, रिमूव कर सकते, राइट? क्लोथ्स नीड गुड केयर. भाई क्लोथ्स को केयर कैसी चाहिए होती है? अच्छी चाहिए होती है, स्पेशली वुलन एंड सिल्क क्लोथ्स. सम इंसेक्ट्स, मॉथ एंड सिल्वर फिश, ये करते हैं डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं बाय अटैकिंग द फाइबर एंड वी मस्ट टेक स्पेशल केयर ऑफ आवर सिल्क एंड वुलन क्लोथ्स. So on this one season is over, clothes must be duly dried in the sun and cooled or they must be dry cleaned before being packed. To protect them, naphthalene balls or dry neem leaves should be placed between the layers of woolen clothes. And these keep the insects away. Proper care of clothes makes them look better and last long. Now we have different types of clothes, natural and synthetic fiber. Now, natural fabrics, these are the fabrics that comes from plants, insects or animals like cotton, linen, silk, wool. Silk किससे obtained होता है? Silkworm से, right? Wool, sheep से. Cotton, cotton plants, right? What are synthetic fibers? The clothes which are not found in nature, they are artificially made by men, right? Nylon, rayon, polyester. Most of these fabrics are strong and can last longer. सम आर स्ट्रेचेबल, वाटर प्रूफ भी होते हैं. ठीक है, कैसा होता है? वाटर प्रूफ और उसमें रिंकल भी नहीं पड़ते, राइट? दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स दैट आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. First is tick the correct option. Dash and tidy clothes makes us look decent and Smart, neat and tight. Cotton clothes keep the body cool. Dark color clothes are worn in. कब पहनते हम dark color clothes? Winter. ठीक है. Stains can be removed with talcum powder. Dash, rayon, polyester are the example of synthetic fiber. Nylon. Dash clothes also keeps our skin in good health. Clean clothes. The dash, the clothes is very cleanliness. Clothes made up of fur or wool keep the body कैसे रखती है? Warm रखती है. Now a patient's clothes must always be disinfected with antiseptic. Silk is obtained from Now let's move to true or false. You have to write T for true and F for false. Silk clothes must be dried in sun. जो silk clothes होते हैं आपको sun में dry करना है वो false. Next is light color clothes absorb heat in summer. False. वो absorb नहीं करती है. Cotton clothes absorb sweat. It's true. Linen is obtained from cotton plant. जो linen होता है वो cotton plant से obtained होता है. No. Waterproof clothes protect us from rain. It's true. Now match the following. Stains, oxalic acid, waterproof clothes protect us from rain. Woolen clothes protect us from cold. और cotton clothes क्या करते हैं? Sweat absorber होते हैं. Now answer the following question. Why do we wear clothes? To protect our body from heat, cold, rain and insects. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because they are good sweat absorber. Why do we wear woolen clothes? Because they keeps our body warm. ये heat को escape नहीं होने. Then you have to differentiate between cotton and linen. How do we protect our woolen and silk clothes against insects? Right? This you have to tell. Now we have completed this chapter, done with the exercise. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.